Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm here recording another video. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy this one. Please keep watching. You've heard a lot of the successful YouTubers talking about their beginnings, how they started, because they're now successful. And it's very easy to talk about it when you are successful. But what about seeing from the beginning when you're starting your channel? This is exactly what I'm going to talk to you about is the beginnings. This is actually my second video with only 7 subscribers. I'm going to show you how is from the beginning. You're going to be able to watch from the beginning how is it that you get to grow a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not an expert by any means, but I'm just going to show you and probably encourage you that you don't have to wait for anything to start your video right now, your YouTube channel. As it stands today, we're in the month of August. Like I said at the beginning, I only have 2 videos. This is actually my second video and only 7 subscribers. And whenever down the line you have watched this video, I hope you get some hope and encourage you to start your own YouTube channel. I'm gonna post here a short clip just showing you the tools that I'm using to shoot my YouTube videos. I have a Nikon D7000, not the latest model, not the newest camera, but this one is getting the job done. I also have a wireless microphone with this piece right here, just to be able for me to move and shoot the video a little more comfortable. On my left here, I have a tripod with an LED light, and on my right, I have just a regular lamp, yellow light, just to give a little more of a dramatic, cinematic kind of look. Also on my right here, I have an iPhone 11 trying to capture a different angle and see how I can insert that angle within the video as well. But like I said at the beginning, I'm not really an expert, but I really like to experiment with different angles, different cameras, different looks. Now, one of the most time-consuming things when you're shooting this video is the editing part. A lot of YouTubers use iMovie and Final Cut to edit the videos. And not that I like to make things more difficult for me, but I do like utilizing Premiere Pro. Is that it allows you to do a lot of things much better. It's a little more complicated when it comes to editing tool, but I do like it because of the functionality. I'm not saying you have to use this tool to be successful. There are a lot of YouTubers that I follow that they don't even do transitions or anything, and their videos still get a lot of views, millions of views. Now, I don't like complicating my life more with this tool because it's a little more complex, but I like the functionality of it. So I hope when you watch this video, you get encouraged to start your YouTube channel. Don't worry about how it looks. Clearly, I've shot this video many times. I've messed up in the pronunciation of things, but still that's not keeping me from shooting the video over and over until it is well done. So don't wait any longer to start your YouTube channel. Like naturally, I've shot this video over and over more than 10 times. I wish I could upload the bloopers. I messed up on the pronunciation. I messed up on, shooting the video and it was not recording, but still, there's nothing to wait for, just do it. So my intention with this video is to encourage you to start. You don't have to be a professional. And hopefully, taking this video from me that I have only 7 subscribers at the time that I recorded this video, and I have only 2 videos, this is my second one actually, that this can encourage you to definitely start your YouTube channel. It's very difficult when you see a very successful YouTuber telling you that, oh, start, don't wait, just do it. But when you look at them, it's like, yeah, you have millions of views, you have millions of subscribers. How can I get there? Well, you're hearing it now from somebody like me that only has 2 videos and 7 subscribers. So just do it. Start your YouTube channel today. Don't wait any longer. Well, I know this video doesn't say much, but I really just wanted to document my journey from the beginning, so somebody out there will see this video, will encourage them, and definitely make them start their own YouTube channel. So tell me what you think about this video. What are the things that you think that I should improve? What are the things that I can implement to make it better? And I'll definitely do that. I love the feedback. I love to hear from you. Please comment below. Also like the video so the algorithm can help me grow. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.